anxiety have to be that the squirrel is a calming presence in your life. No animal less a squirrel. Even when their unicorns are like this, I mean, here's the thing, the squirrel is not a service animal. Unless you count starting electrical fires in your attic as a service, they're not an emotional support animal. But this woman is very upset with Frontier Airlines. Frontier is the airline for people who can't afford to take the bus. And now,
Yo.
they might be in legal trouble.
Now, Daisy tells Fox 8 she got her squirrel 3 weeks ago, and her psychologist licensed Diesel as an emotional support animal.
I politely informed them I will own a big portion of this airline.
This trial is on television. Michael Avenatti gets involved representing a squirrel. The irony is, nobody needs an emotional support animal more than a woman who tries to bring a squirrel on. Speaking of travel, we are flying to Brooklyn, New York. We're doing 5 shows at the beautiful Brooklyn Academy of Music starting this Monday night. And our friend Guillermo is not here right now because he's on the road. He's traveling to New York.
Yo.
It's not like you're going to get to touch him.
Only in America, man.
Last night, Guillermo was in Atlanta, and where he made the local ABC News.
Time to clear out, prepare for the offseason, but what's next for the Braves and their manager? Sports director Zach Klein is next with details.
Look at all that excitement. That's he has the energy of a man who hasn't eaten a vegetable in a week. So Guillermo is on a bus. This is his ride. He's on the Guillermo Mobile, or the Guillermo Mobile as we call it. And tonight, the Guillermo Mobile is in Chicago. In Chicago. Hi, Guillermo. How you doing?
Hi, Jimmy. I'm doing great, Jimmy. I love Chicago. I'm here with all these wonderful people.
So just so you know, if you're not familiar with the Wiener Circle, it's a hot dog place where the customers go and they get insulted by the staff. The staff yells things at them, right? Like, ladies, yes, what are your names, ladies?
I'm Evelyn. And I'm Pucci.
Okay, Evelyn and Pucci, show us how you do it, how you insult the customers using Guillermo as your subject.
No problem.
Okay.
All right. I want a hot dog. What type of hot dog? Whatever you want. Whatever I want? Yeah. I want to make it legal. Put a wiener in a bun for you. Okay. What about for Jimmy? Jimmy?
Yeah.
What the took you so long to get here?
Well,
6.5 years late. Why didn't you invite me on the show?
have you ever heard the expression, you get more flies with honey?
No, I got some honey for your ass, all right.
All right, well, there you go. That's what it is.
When's your single, Jimmy?
What's that?
Hey, they're single. Let's play a single. We're going on the bus with Guillermo later.
Yeah.
Why the your name sound like an STD, mother?
Do you have any vegan wieners or options that are gluten-free there at Wiener Circle?
That's the whole veggie burger? That's the whole, yeah. You like real rice number?
Yeah, sure.
Jimmy? Yeah, sure do, babe. Hold on. Cause you done came up now. I know Jimmy pay you well. You better not pull no more single $20 out your pocket. 20.
All right, listen. Guillermo, who else do you have there with you at Wiener Circle? The guy in the Cubs uniform, he looks familiar to me. Ronnie, you should get on the bus with Guillermo and do that the whole way to Philadelphia. Well, thank you so much. It looks like you guys are having a lot of fun. I'm gonna leave you now. Yes, all right, Ronnie. Today, by the way, today is World Mental Health Day. Does Ronnie know that? This is the day on which we shine a light on mental illness. And the reason I mention this is because Kanye West is scheduled to meet with the president at the White House tomorrow. He's meeting with the president and his son-in-law. Don, Con, and Sharon are getting together. And I don't know about you, I want to know what is on the agenda for that? What are Donald Trump and Kanye West going to talk about at lunch? They're having lunch together. I wish I could transform into a bottle of ketchup just to listen in on this, but I can't. So we reached out to the president's top advisor, Kellyanne Conway, who joins us now live from Washington, D.C. Hello, Kellyanne, and thank you for being with us tonight.
What up? Thank you for having me.
Yes, you're welcome. Well, Kelly, are you okay? What happened to your hair?
I'm not Kellyanne Conway anymore. I'm Kellyanne Kanye. I love it. I love it. We down with Kanye West.
Oh, well, I had no idea you were. I did not know that.
Well, now you know, you fake ass bitch.
Listen, I've been through a lot of abuse at the Wiener Circle, so is the president okay with your new look, with this bald look?
Who do you think shaved my head?
Oh, he shaved your head?
That's right, and he's using my hair as a weave. I love it. I love
Okay,
it.
Kellyanne, let's talk about this meeting between the president and Kanye West tomorrow.
The two most stable geniuses